Hi everybody, it's Gingerbread from East Coast Mummy, and I have a fantastic video today. We're going to save some money by DIYing some things that we already have laying around the house. So let's get started. First up is a project using things found in nature. We lost a lot of trees and branches during Hurricane Fiona, so when I saw this $80 planter online, I knew I could create it for next to nothing. I picked up a couple of greenery picks from the dollar store, and I inserted all the greenery into an old flower pot I had, along with the dollar store picks, a couple branches, and an inexpensive bow. And I absolutely love how this arrangement turned out. Another idea is to use glassware vases and bowls and containers that you have around your house. I decided to use this old flour container that I had. I filled it a bit with Epsom salts, kind of smoothed it out, got rid of the chunks. Then I added a bit of glitter to the top. For the next part, you can add anything that you like. I added a couple of bottle brush trees that I had and a super cute little red truck ornament, but you can really use anything. Then I added some little white fairy lights with a battery pack, and I love how this turned out. I also added a little bit of ribbon to the top of the jar to dress it up. What do you think? Next up is a project using cardboard right out of the recycling bin. I'm using it to make gingerbread houses. So I use my pencil just to make different sizes and different shapes of gingerbread houses, and then I cut them out with some really sharp and strong scissors. As you can see, I made 4 different shapes, but you can make however many you want. To decorate the houses, I just used a chalk pen to kind of mimic white icing and make some different designs on the houses. This would be a fun project for kids too. There's no wrong way to do it, just have fun and use your imagination. They look really cute laid out on a plate, but you could also add a string to them and use them as ornaments. Another option is to use them as part of a garland. To make a garland, you just need to cut little pieces of straws and tape them to the back of the houses. To get them to hang properly, you're going to want to tape the piece of straw to the top of the house. Then you're going to take a piece of twine, string on some beads, and string on the houses until you're happy with the look of it. I use a large needle to string my beads, but if you don't have one, you can put a little bit of tape around the end to make it easier to thread through. And here's what it looks like. I think this is a super cute neutral piece of Christmas decor that everybody in the family can help make. The last idea I have is to repurpose artwork around your home. For example, you can wrap it up with wrapping paper and a bow to look like a present. Or you can take frames you already have in your home, fill them with Christmas movie quotes, Christmas carol lyrics, or Christmas photos. I created 4 prints that you can download for free on my blog using some of my favorite Christmas movie quotes, and I'll leave the link below. I hope I've inspired you to take a look around your home, DIY with some things you already have, and save some money this holiday season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Merry Christmas!